Hello, Gardner. What is this? Can you tell me in the comments what this is? I would appreciate it. Take a look. And let me know what you think this is. %, cedar. Let's get it right. Let's get it right. Let's see right. All right. Look at this. Okay, so let's take a look here. My last video here. Planting nectarine tree part 2. Here's the analytical page. Look at. When I start talking about myself, right there asking for your help. Look at. Below average. That's what you guys are. And then over here, low. Look at. When I started talking about the watch hours, if you could just play all these watch hour videos to help me out. And look at the rating, low. You guys weren't watching. You see that? There it is. And then when I start talking about, planting all that, oh, look, hi, you guys are watching that part, huh? You guys are just getting information and not helping the channel out. And then over here, below, when I start talking again about my watch hours, help me out. Look at below average. Why are you guys so mean? I asked for your help, and look, this is how you pay me back. This is the end, my beautiful friend. This is the end, my only friend, the end. It hurts to set you free, but you never follow me. This is the end of laughter and soft lies. The end of nights we try to die. This is the end. Hello, Blue Garden subscriber. Well, it comes to my attention that you're not being notified when I put out new videos. That's why nobody's watching. So with my friend here, Mike Murphy, we will understand how to set our notification on our phone and tablet.
So every time that channel publishes a new video, you will be notified. First, I'll show you how to do it on a desktop, and then I'll do it on a mobile device such as an iPhone or an iPad. Okay, so here I am in Chrome on my MacBook Pro.
Just go to @thebluegarden2060.
So, to subscribe to a channel on YouTube, just click on the big red button in the upper right that says subscribe. So once you subscribe to a channel on YouTube, you'll get this little bell right here. Click on the bell, choose to send me all notifications for this channel, and that way every time the channel publishes a new video, you will be notified, so you don't have to keep checking. It's pretty convenient. Now let me show you how to do it on an iOS device. Okay, so here I am on my favorite YouTube channel on my iPhone. To subscribe to any channel, just click on the subscribe button next to the profile pic. Now you'll get the little bell up here. Click on the bell. You'll have some options. If you click on this bottom right options, now you can tell it how often you want to be notified. All, every time the new video is published, you will be notified. If you click occasional, that'll be based on YouTube's algorithms. Then none, and you can always change your notifications. And here I am on an iPad. It works exactly the same way, but it doesn't matter if you're on the front page of a YouTube channel or if you're on an individual video. If you see the subscribe button, the red on the right, just click on the subscribe button and the notification bell will appear immediately after. Click on the notification bell, and then you can look on the bottom, the same thing. If you click options, you have the option to choose it all, occasional, or none, and you can always change this at a later time. That is your quick tip, how to subscribe to a YouTube channel and receive notifications. Cheers.
Okay, thank you very much, Mike Murphy, for that explanation. I hope my subscribers will follow the instructions and get all my videos. Thank you so much.